Okay guys, welcome to another day. Today we will add action listener to the buttons. The two very buttons that we have, the login button and the cancel button. We'll start by adding action listener to the login so that when we click the login, something will happen. And when we click on the cancel button, something will happen. Now let's start by calling up the login button. Login, I'll say dot add action listener. Now you will instantiate the action listener inside the action listener parentheses. Now let's go ahead and terminate and come back into it and open the brace. Click enter. Now we'll put in the action performed by public void action performed. Then we'll add the action event of the action performed. AE. Now this is it. Now everything that will happen when you click on the button will be given here. The instructions will be given right inside here. And let's start by saying if username dot getTest dot equals let's say user and password key dot getTest dot equals let's say admin. Now open the browser, click enter. Now simple. Once the user inputs user as the password, the user will input user as the username and inputs admin as the password, something will happen. Now that thing will happen is what we'll place here. Now once user is the username and admin is the password, let a Joptionpane dot show message dialog. Let's say login successful. Now after this or else, let the login screen go out. Now this line of code will remove the login screen, dispose it. Now after disposing, what else will happen? Now a new screen will come up. Let's call that screen welcome screen. Welcome. Now this welcome is another class and is created so that when the user inputs user as the username and admin as the password and clicks on it, it will tell the user login successfully and then takes the user to this very class which is welcome. Now what if the user inputs any other thing other than user and admin? What will happen? Or what if the user inputs user as the username correctly but inputs any other thing as the password? What will happen? What if the password is correct but the username is not correct? What will happen? Now this is where we will place the statement that will answer all those questions. We'll begin by saying else j option pane dot show message dialog no username or password incorrect. Oh, this is it. Once you put in the user as the user name, admin as the password, it will log you in and take you to the next screen. But once you fail to put either of these, something will happen. It will tell you username or password is incorrect. Let's test run it and see what I'm talking about. Okay, it's coming up. It's loading. Now let's put any other thing as user and any other thing as password and click on login. Username or password incorrect. Okay, what if our username is correct, user, and password is not correct? Username or password incorrect. And what if our username is not correct but our password is correct? Admin. It will still tell you username, password incorrect. But then our user is correct and password is also correct. Admin. Login successful. Welcome operator. Fine, this is what we want. Now this welcome operator is a class on its own. The class I mean is you create it on its own. It's a separate class on its own. Let's open it. This is it. Now this is the welcome. This is the welcome. Just a simple welcome, but we are doing simple login or password. Now let's go back to our login. That is all for login. Now the next thing we'll do is for cancel. Okay, to save our time, let's just copy this login, copy it, and come here and paste it. Now we've pasted it. The thing we need now is change this to cancel and clean every other thing till here. Yeah. Now simple. We need a Joptionpane that will tell us that we've cancelled successfully. Change this to cancel is successful. Now username dot get test. Okay, let's say set test this time around will be now. The same thing, password dot set test will be now. Now let's run it and see what happens. Okay, here it comes. Now let's input something. User admin, but fortunately we want to cancel it and input another username. Then we'll say cancel is successful. To clean everything we've written here, everything written here will be deleted. But that's it for the action buttons, the login action button and the cancel action buttons. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed, or like our channel on the videos. And if you have any question to ask it in the comments and we will reply you, or you can direct it to our email, which you will see at the comment side of this video. Thank you once more for watching the video, and thank you for your likes and your comments. See you on our next edition. Now the question you asked, based on this topic or any topic at all you feel like asking question from, and you will get an answer. Thank you for watching once more.